TTDEYE? Is it really worth the hype? Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm actually trying TTDEYE's best-selling colored contact lenses. The one that I'll be reviewing today in this video is actually their supernatural green colored contact lenses that I'm wearing right now. They're absolutely so stunning and they look so natural as well. So when you do decide to buy from TTDEYE, it will come in this gorgeous packaging. It is so compact as well. They are so generous as well. So if you decide to buy multiple contact lenses, it actually comes with these contact lens cases that come with the case, the contact lenses tweezers, as well as application as well. Once you get your order from TTDEYE, it'll come in this super cute colorful packaging. You'll also get a bunch of goodies in this. It is so amazing guys. You get some stickers, some tattoos, there's a compact mirror right here as well. It's super slim, and you also get individual contact lens cases for how many contact lenses you do decide to get, which is so convenient. They also pack in this eye glitter guys, which is so cute, especially if you do costume makeup, and the rest of the box are the individually packaged contact lenses. So if you're not sure on which colored contact lenses to get from TTDEYE, if you're new to the brand, you can try out these ones that I'm wearing right now. Make sure you guys use the discount code down below, Beauty by Fee. That code will give you up to 10% off discount off your next order. So this is what these supernatural green contact lenses look like on dark Asian brown eyes. They look so stunning and supernatural. These are 12 months wear contact lenses at a very affordable price point. I find it super comfortable and breathable. These green contact lenses look a little fluorescent and see-through guys. I did get 4 different colored contact lenses guys, which I'll be making in 4 different videos. I'll put them one by one so you can see them close up on how they look like on natural brown Asian eyes. If you do decide to give them a go, then keep watching on my videos. And if you're new to my channel as well, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe with the notification bell so you won't miss out on my next videos. Thank you.